Welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to change username on Instagram. So let's get started. You want to open Instagram, then go to your profile at the bottom side of the screen, and now right below your bio information here you'll find the button Edit Profile, then tap on Username, and here in this field you can type your new desired username, and do not forget to tap Done in the top right to save your new username. But please remember that your new username must be completely unique, and you cannot use the same username as someone else. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and I will see you in the next one.